What was that? Make my house shaking.
Hello guys! Look what I have today.
So today we unboxing the Majority Pulse 2.
Yep.
A portable party speaker with something special inside.
As you can see, I can't wait. So, ta-da! Ouch! And we've got a little pouch.
Wire.
User manual. And okay, that's put it in. We don't need that.
So they provide 3 years warranty on this. 3 years you can play with it in your garden, and every single party, birthday party, everything, and they're gonna replace it. So let's do some satisfy.
I just love these.
Yeah. So on the top we have a mode, a menu, a boost button, a boost button, left and right, and stop, and power, and LED. Let's see what we have on the back. On the back we have a USB-C 5 volt, a USB that you can put a stick, a SD card, a microphone input, and a auxiliary input. And look at this bass port on the back. So it says that it needs only 2 amps to charge, and it can last for 8 hours. This is the provided.
Yes, they actually provide you with the power supply.
Power supply. Yes. So let's put it on the power it on basically, and let's see. What was that?
That was a bit loud.
You can see it has a strobe and the AI lights. 120 watts, 2 speakers, and a tweeter.
Look what I have found.
What is that?
That is a mic.
So that's why you have a wire.
That's why I have the wire.
Okay.
That's why I'm going to on and off.
As you see, you have a power status here. How much battery you have in. Huge buttons.
Hello, hello.
So you can sing.
I can sing, yes. Oh my God.
Bluetooth connected.
So it's time to do a small sound test because we want to show you the difference with the bass boost and of course to see the lights. Let's try another song. I want to try a bassy one and see. So you can control your device from the top of the speaker.
Yep.
It has the bass boost on top of it. The easy handle. It's not very heavy.
No, it's not very heavy.
It's not very heavy.
Oi.
Zoe is very annoyed with the sticker on the front.
I don't like that they've actually put the sticker on the speaker, so I'll try to pull it off later.
Yep. So we're testing the echo mode on the microphone. Zoe said it has a delay. It doesn't have delay, it just has a echo. Nice. So, let's go to the pros of this device. First of all,
it has a microphone.
First of all, it has the beautiful lights in the front that you can enjoy, and this strobe is visible, but it's not annoying.
No, it's not.
Second of all, you have huge buttons on the top that they can be pressed to change the volume.
Yeah, up and down.
So we give a 10 for this. Third of all, looks like on the camera, as you can see, the color they painted the buttons, it looks like they're gonna interact with the lights around it. So basically, most likely, we can test that, the buttons, they're gonna be visible.
They will be visible when you don't have all your lights on.
Yes.
Yes.
Huge 2 speakers in the front, 6.5 inches. So that's another plus. Long battery life, which we're gonna test on our next video and see how long it lasts, the battery. You can unscrew, if you don't have kids that are gonna destroy them or someone that is gonna kick the speakers, you can remove the protecting mesh in the front. The bass boost.
I think that will depend on what songs you play and the quality of the...
Yes. So you can put the microphone in front of it and you will see it doesn't, if it was just a microphone there, it would scream.
It would be screaming way too loud.
It is a useful feature, but sometimes it's not gonna work very well. The build quality looks very fancy, nice colors and all this and that. But sometimes you feel like the device is not so sturdy. There is an option with majority that you can find, because the speaker is not expensive. You can buy another one and you can have a stereo system. This is a feature that they supply, that you can have 2 of them and they pair each other. The legs under, I don't know what Zoe.
I was checking if you actually, let's stand it.
Yeah, it has rubber feet.
It has rubber feet, so if you actually put it on floor, it will be quite steady.
Yeah.
But on the carpet, it's sliding a bit.
Yes. We're gonna turn off the lights and we're gonna put something to play and see if we are right about the illumination. So this is the majority Pulse 2. We were so lucky to get this. It's a beautiful speaker, 120 watts. There is plenty of stuff you can do with it. House party, put it on your caravan, take it with you on holidays if you go around in, on a tent. 8 hours of battery, it's quite a lot.
It will last, yeah.
If you take it with you on a camper site, you can play some music, go party with your friends.
Yeah. You can even dance with it if you want.
And if you get annoyed with the lights,
you can turn them off.
I can show you that you can turn the lights off. This is a way to go. It's only 140 quid. You can get it very easy, top quality. There is a bigger model, a Pulse 3, and there is a Pulse 1.
Yes.
There's one speaker and the bigger model. So if you want us to review the bigger model, leave on the comments, and if we get 1,000 likes, we're gonna buy it for you.
Yeah. I like it. I like the quality of the sound. I like the bass. I will go and have a party now, if I'm allowed to. Sorry, guys. I quite like the way the lights work with the music. I think it's nice.
And of course, we're gonna use the karaoke.
And I like that it's actually not very heavy, so I can take it with me wherever I like now.
And if you're looking forward to see more deep review, just let us in the comments know, and we will do a deep review about the battery and about how loud it is.
Yep.
So I'm Mr. D.
I am Zoe.
Thank you very much for watching, and let us know in the comments.
Yes, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.